Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you how to import an SVG file to Blender, and then how to give a thickness to that file and how to rotate 360-degree to that file. So first go in file, import scalable vector graphics SVG file. This is also SVG file, but this is scalable vector graphics. Select this file. I have two downloaded. You can easily create a PNG file in Photoshop black and white and then convert it into a SVG file by using your browser. So this is I have created the SVG file. So this is my SVG file. So I am going to give thickness. For that, go in data here. If you are not seeing, here is a green icon data which I have highlighted here. See, it is highlighted now. Click on here and go in geometry and just give the extrude thickness. I'm going to give 0.3, and then I'm going to give this red color. If the color is not showing, what you have to do is just click here, right click, convert to mesh, select all the faces, assign. So this is a black color SVG file, so the texture is not applying. Let this be. Let's try to give this. So this is our SVG file. Okay, now the color will change. See, the color is changes to red because I was in this view, this mode. This is the texture mode. Now just create one circle or cylinder, rotate it like this, rotation type 90, and just scale it little bit. Create face, select this face and this face, insert it like this, and then right click and bridge it. So we have something like this. Now scale it little bit like this. Also give this a red color. Okay, right click and shade smooth. So we have something like this. select this and apply smooth division if you want. So we have something like this. And now if you want, just go here, rotate X, type 360 degree. First here, set a keyframe here, 60 frame, type 360 here. Again, you press T and linear, and here also press 60. So we have something like this. That 59. So that's it, friend. This is how to create a SVG file logo of any PNG file, and then give the thickness and rotation in Blender. This is very easy model, the 2D SVG file, 2D 2D image of SVG file we can create easily in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D videos like this. Also some gaming videos in my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.